Cloud Coders implementation. Hi, my name is Riley, and I'd like to welcome you back to the Cloud Coders video series. This video series aims to give you more information about Cloud Coders, our new products and features, as well as what is going on currently in the market. Today's video, we're going to look closer at Cloud Coders implementation process, just to give you guys a little bit more of an understanding about what Cloud Coders does through this process and how it can help ensure that you get the solution that fits with your business. Implementation is always the key part of any software related project, and as I mentioned in my previous video, Cloud Coders is always about providing a complete solution rather than simply a piece of software. So for us, this means that implementation takes on an even greater importance. For us, implementation goes through several steps and ensures that not only is the software implemented correctly and fits within your business, but that the team that are using the solution understand it, and that you have key experts within the business that can be a first port of call for troubleshooting. I'll go into a little bit more detail around this in terms of training, which is a different part of our complete end-to-end solution and part of course, of delivering the entire project. This will be in next week's video, so make sure you tune in if you'd like to learn more about training and how we go about that part of the process. But back to implementation. Cloud Coders make sure that not only is the implementation extremely fast and completed without Cloud Coders being the bottleneck in any project. We pride ourselves on making sure that you have the ability to go through the implementation process hassle-free while being able to learn as the system is starting to be put forward within your business. This comes through several different processes, and the first part of our implementation process is the configuration of the solution. So this takes part by looking at how your business currently runs, and that is done throughout the scoping part of the complete project. Once we have that understanding, we look at our solution and how that fits in with your business, making sure that it's configured to help improve your business and give you the most value out of both a cloud-based warehouse management solution as well as your current NetSuite account. The next step after we've configured the account with your processes and enhanced these processes is the feature functional testing process. Now this is a key part of our process which ensures everything is functionally sound, that all of the new processes that we've put in place match with what needs to go on within your business, that there are no added changes to your NetSuite account that may impact on completing processes within a warehouse function, and then of course rigorously testing all of the functions to make sure that they work not only with your system in terms of a NetSuite side of things, but that they work within the functions of the warehouse themselves, and we make sure that they make sense. This also extends to things such as checking to make sure that the devices are working correctly with the solution in them, as well as making sure that any additional software that Cloud Coders has put forward to you, such as SOTI's mobile device management platform, that they're all working within the business itself. After this, we go through several of the other parts of the process, such as training and onboarding, which I'll go into next week's video, and then our continued ongoing support and continued development of the staff within your business, both of which will be covered next week. But one of the key parts of implementation is our process alignment function. And this is a key part of, once again, Cloud Coders' core business values. Wanting to not only deliver a software solution that makes sense within your business, but also enhances your productivity, reduces those key pain points that exist within a warehouse, and make sure that at the end of the day, your NetSuite account and your Cloud WMS warehouse management solution are all functioning correctly together and really getting your business set up for growth in a way that is consistently scalable. What this means is that we take a lot of time to understand the back end. We understand how these things function within your business, whether that's going from currently using NetSuite, whether it's coming from using a paper-based solution, whether it's coming from using an Excel-based solution, or a different type of software altogether, whether it's siloed or whether it is on NetSuite itself. We make sure that we take all of this into account when we're going through that configuration, when we're going through that feature functional testing, when we're going through the training, and when we're giving you guys the ongoing support. For us, that's what makes a difference to us in a business. And as I kind of mentioned in my previous video, it's really about delivering a complete solution rather than a piece of software. And this is where our process alignment really comes into play. A key feature of our implementation and a key value add that we give to our customers. It allows us to understand if there's some configurations, customizations, or added development work that may be necessary. If there is an exciting project that you're looking to develop moving forward in a phase 2 or 3, it gives us that time to understand that project, see how it fits into the current structure, and make sure that we have that ability to do that in the future with the way we set up the solution at the start. So it's all about making sure that you're ready for success now, but also having the scalability and foresight to understand where your business is going in the future and how we can improve that and make you ready for that continual growth in the future. If you'd like to learn more about how our implementation process works in a more detailed way, or learn more about how Cloud Coders is continuing to add value to your business through our process alignment as a key part of our business, please get in touch. Until then, take care, and I'll speak to you next week when we discuss training and our ongoing support and training process that is key to continual success.